Dan Resin here with Xtreme Polishing Systems. Today we're going to be going over our Rockhard Polyaspartic kit. This kit is available in a 2 and 3 gallon kit size. Let's go ahead and get into some of our specifications with this Polyaspartic kit. Our mixing time is 1 minute and 20 seconds. Our ratio is 1:1. Pot life is 20 minutes. Our working time is 25 to 30 minutes. Dry time is 2 to 4 hours. Return to foot traffic is in 12 to 24 hours. And return to heavy traffic is within 48 hours. Now our recoat window is 6 hours, or sanding is required. Now let's get into some of our coverage rates. So for a flake floor base coat, it's 1 coat at 120 to 130 square feet per gallon. For a top coat over flakes, it's 1 to 2 coats at 120 to 130 square feet per gallon. Now for a solid color floor, you're going to do 1 to 2 coats at 175 to 250 square feet per gallon. Let's get into our pigment ratios. For solid colors, we have 2 different options. We have the Laticrete Universal Pigments, which is going to be 1 pod per gallon, or we have our 1 liter pigments, which will be 1/3 of a pod per 2 gallon kit. Now, for the 1 liter pigments, you only want to use these on flake floors, as if you use this for a solid color floor, you won't get the pigment in there consistently. Now, some of the features of this Polyaspartic kit are, it's got a long working time, it's user-friendly and fairly forgivable, it's got a perfect consistency, it has superior scratch and chemical resistance, and the odor dissipates fairly quickly. Now, let's get into our demo.